Hey guys, today I'll show you how to build a formula column in monday.com. First, open the board where you want to add calculations. Click the plus icon at the top right of your column headers and look for formula, then select it. The formula builder will automatically open. Under the resources tab, you'll see a list of functions and constants, like if, sum, add days, and etc. To reference an existing column in your formula, wrap its name in curly braces. Then you can use math symbols or functions to build logic. For example, if parenthesis spent is greater than budget, comma, over budget enclosed in quotation marks, add another comma, then within budget enclosed in quotation marks, then close parenthesis. This formula checks if the spent column is greater than the budget column. If true, it outputs over budget, otherwise within budget. You can also use more advanced functions for date logic like add days, or manipulate text like left or concatenate. Just browse the functions list to pick what you need. Once you've written your formula, paste or type it in, then click Set Formula. The formula applies to the entire column and updates automatically as data changes. And that's how you build a formula column in monday.com. Thanks for watching.